What? Oh.
Okay, sorry guys.
My phone is ringing. My heart was beating so fast.
Okay, stop. Okay. Hi guys, I'm sorry we got cut off, but Jordan, this is my offer for the Nido.
Accept.
Wait, no, I never accepted.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna decline.
Okay.
I'll think about it. Okay, trading slime, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Nobody wants it? What is it? What's your offer?
By the way, I'm the mute girl in this stream.
Add. I don't want your wand. Add. One more thing. One little thing. No. No! I decline. No! Can I offer for your triple dimple? I'll give you a simple dimple and a DIY poppet.